Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Fidelity app full guide. Open the Fidelity app, sign in, and tap the search icon to find the stock or ETF you want to purchase. From the quote page, tap Buy, select Market or Limit Order, enter the number of shares, and choose the funding account. Double-check price, fees, and estimated total before swiping to submit the order. To fund your Fidelity account, open the Transfers or Accounts tab and link a bank using ACH or wire instructions. Choose the amount to transfer, review any limits like $15, 000, or ACH timing, and submit the transfer. For instant buying power, enable margin or use settled cash checks on the funding screen. Always confirm the available cash balance in the app before placing a buy order to prevent failures. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker musical notes brings your space to life and pairs nicely with a focused trading desk or morning routine. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like it. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. When placing an order, choose Market for immediate fills or limit to control price, then enter the share count or fractional amount. Pick time in force like day or good till canceled, and check estimated commission and regulatory fees. Review the order preview page to confirm ticker, quantity, and total cost. Finally, confirm and submit the order, then monitor the Orders tab for execution details and confirmations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.